I have the tire.
Spare tire.
Yes.
The original spare tire.
Yes. Boy.
Oh, that's beautiful. And why did you lower the window and then open the tailgate?
Yes, you must. The window inside, and then you can open. You cannot open.
I see. Okay.
But the air is not in. This is. I not bring it.
Oh, so it's not inflated.
No.
Okay. Hey, Team Autoevolution, Rod here, and we are with Jakob Moser and his 1961 Ford Country Spire. Jakob, tell us everything about your car. Where did you get it from?
This car is get it from Tyrol in Austria.
Okay.
Yes.
How did the car get in Austria?
This car was some from this company, from this station from Ford.
So this car is produced in the Netherlands, in Holland.
No, Ford produced in America and bring the car.
It was sold. It
Yes.
was sold in the Netherlands.
Yes, it was sold
It was
in
important, new in Holland,
Yes,
in 1961.
1961. Yes.
And when did you get it?
I get it 2017.
2017.
Yes.
And before that, who had this car? Before 2017?
One person had this car.
Yeah.
He has a camping place
Okay.
in Tyrol.
Yeah.
And he shamed it on to drive with this car in Tyrol and let it steal it in 1974 and never drive with this car.
So he parked the car in 1974.
Yes.
And until 2017, this car was never driven.
No.
How was it when you found it?
Not good.
Not good.
Not good.
Okay, you'll
A
see some
tree-
pictures about it.
A tree is follow on this car and it was all broken.
A tree fell on the car.
Yes.
And you repaired it.
All.
How long did it take for you to repair the car?
6 years.
6 years.
Yes.
Splendid job, I must say. Splendid job. What's the engine in the car?
The engine is 351, 5.8. Yes.
Did you have to repair the engine too?
Yes.
Okay,
All.
so it's a rebuilt engine.
In the engine was red. In the tank was mouse and red.
Well, rodents like these cars in Austria too, not just in America. How often do you drive it?
I can. We have a Sonderlizenz in Austria.
Yeah.
I can drive this car 120 days in a year, and not more than 3,500 kilometers. But
Okay.
I drive this car in the year 10, 12 times.
10, 12 times a year?
Yes.
Okay, so you just take it out so the engine doesn't seize?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you enjoy driving it?
Yes.
You like it?
Very, very nice.
Is the interior original?
No,
No.
it is in original rebuilt.
Yeah?
The original I not become from America. I all must bring from America here.
Okay,
this
so
this
you
part.
had to import the parts.
Yes, this is one guy from my friend from me make this with the old. He rebuilt, open all
The
these
stitches?
Yes, all the stitches, and make it for this.
You did a pretty good job, I must say.
Yes, it's good.
Is it a 9-passenger station wagon? It has an extra bench right there in the back, right?
Yes, this car gives on 7. In America, it gives in 7 or in 9.
Ah, I see.
And this is 7.
This is 7.
Yes.
Okay. Beautiful car. Who's this guy here?
This guy is the Tiger.
And why is it here on the
I become this for my daughter, a gift from my daughter, and he always drives with me.
What's here?
Watch here, here's the name of the guys he was work for this car, or with this car, with me on this car.
All friends of yours?
My friends, this is my wife, my daughter, myself, from my daughter, the husband, my other daughter.
Okay.
Yes.
So it was a family project.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. Well, you did a great job, I must say. Great family. Did you have to repaint the engine bay too? Or just the outside?
All.
Everything. This is the original color?
This is the original color. Yes.
Color. Okay. This is one great great family adventure.
That's the last idea that I have was this.
To have them sign.
Yes.
Did you have to pay them in beer? Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
Well, guys, stay tuned. We got more like this.